kindness comes back. In a world that often feels rushed and competitive, kindness can sometimes seem like a small and insignificant act. Yet, it carries a powerful force, one that has the ability to transform lives, build connections, and create a ripple effect far beyond what we can see. The idea that kindness comes back is not just a saying, it is a truth experienced by people across cultures and generations. Kindness begins with simple actions. It can be as small as offering a smile to a stranger, helping someone carry their bags, or speaking a few encouraging words to someone who is struggling. These actions may not seem like much in the moment, but they can leave a lasting impact on the person receiving them. Often, people remember how you make them feel long after they forget what you said or did. Imagine a busy morning where everyone is rushing to get to work. In the middle of this chaos, one person chooses to hold the door open for others. It takes only a few seconds, yet it sets a tone of consideration and respect. Someone who witnesses this act may feel inspired to do something kind as well. This is how kindness spreads, quietly, naturally, and powerfully. Kindness is not always easy. There are times when we feel tired, stressed, or overwhelmed. In such moments, it is tempting to focus only on ourselves. However, it is precisely during these times that kindness matters the most. When we choose to be kind despite our own challenges, we demonstrate strength and compassion. We remind ourselves and others that humanity is built on empathy and care. There is also a deeper aspect to kindness, the way it shapes our character. When we make kindness a habit, it becomes a part of who we are. It influences our thoughts, our words, and our actions. Over time, we begin to see the world differently. We become more understanding, more patient, and more open to others' experiences. One of the most beautiful things about kindness is that it often returns to us in unexpected ways. Sometimes, the person you helped may come back to support you when you need it the most. Other times, kindness returns through someone else entirely. It might come as an opportunity, a helping hand, or even a simple moment of comfort during a difficult time. Consider a situation where a student helps a classmate understand a difficult lesson. Years later, they meet again, and that same classmate offers help in a professional setting. Neither of them may have expected this connection, yet the kindness shared in the past created a bond that lasted over time. Kindness also has a positive impact on our mental and emotional well-being. When we do something kind for others, it creates a sense of satisfaction and happiness within us. It reminds us that we have the ability to make a difference, no matter how small. This feeling can reduce stress, improve mood, and even strengthen our sense of purpose. In addition, kindness builds trust and strengthens relationships. Whether it is within families, friendships, or communities, acts of kindness create a foundation of respect and understanding. People feel valued and appreciated, and this encourages open communication and cooperation. However, it is important to remember that true kindness does not expect anything in return. It is given freely, without conditions or expectations. When we perform acts of kindness only to receive something back, it loses its genuine meaning. The true reward of kindness lies in the act itself, the joy of giving, and the knowledge that you have made someone's day a little better. There will be times when kindness is not acknowledged or appreciated. You may help someone who does not say thank you, or you may go out of your way for someone who does not notice your effort. In such moments, it is easy to feel discouraged. But kindness is not about recognition, it is about intention. Even if your act goes unnoticed, it still has value. Think of kindness as planting seeds. You may not see the results immediately, but with time, those seeds grow into something meaningful. They may inspire others, change perspectives, or simply create a more positive environment. Kindness also has the power to break negativity. In situations where there is anger, misunderstanding, or conflict, a kind response can change the direction of the conversation. It can calm tensions, open hearts, and create space for understanding. While it may not solve every problem, it can certainly make a difference. Teaching kindness is equally important. When children grow up seeing acts of kindness around them, they learn to value empathy and compassion. They carry these lessons into adulthood, creating a cycle that continues across generations. In today's digital age, kindness is more important than ever. With the rise of social media and online interactions, words can spread quickly and have a wide impact. Choosing to be kind online, through respectful comments, supportive messages, and positive interactions, can help create a healthier and more encouraging environment. Kindness does not require wealth, power, or special skills. It only requires a willingness to care. Anyone can be kind, regardless of their background or circumstances. It is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to make the world a better place. As you go about your day, take a moment to notice opportunities for kindness. It could be a kind word, a helping hand, or even just listening to someone who needs to talk. These small actions may seem ordinary, but they carry extraordinary power. In the end, kindness is a reflection of our humanity. It connects us, uplifts us, and reminds us of the good that exists in the world. And while we may not always see it immediately, kindness has a way of coming back, sometimes in the most unexpected and beautiful ways. So choose kindness, not just once, but every day. Because every act of kindness, no matter how small, has the potential to create a ripple that reaches far beyond what we can imagine.